The standard colors table shows colors commonly used on road signs and explains what each color means. Table 16, standard colors. Color. Description. Red, stop, yield, or do what is posted on the sign. Green, indicated movements permitted, direction guidance. Blue, motorist services guidance. Yellow, general warning or caution. Black, regulation. White, regulation. Orange, construction and maintenance warning. Orange, retroreflective, used on various types of signs. Brown, public recreation and scenic guidance. Knowing the shapes of these signs will help you know what to do when you are approaching from a distance. Table 17, signs by shape. Shape. Description. Octagon, exclusively for stop signs. Horizontal rectangle, generally for guide signs. Equilateral triangle, exclusively for yield signs. Pennant, advance warning of no pass zones. Table 17, signs by shape. Shape description. Diamond, exclusively to warn of existing or possible hazards on roads or adjacent areas. A vertical rectangle, generally for regulatory signs. Pentagon, school advance and school crossing signs. Round, railroad advance warning signs. Warning signs. Warning signs alert drivers to conditions that are immediately ahead and tell them what to look for. There may be road hazards, changes in direction, or some other situation you should know about. Not only must warning signs be observed for safety reasons, but to disregard them may be a traffic violation. When you encounter a warning sign, 1. Pay attention. 2. Follow instructions. 3. Reduce speed to at least the posted speed signs. The following table provides examples of common warning signs. Table 18, warning signs. Sign. Description. Warns of a traffic control signal. Ahead. Height of underpass from road. Surface is shown. Do not try to enter. If your load is higher than the figure shown on the sign, advises you are approaching a section of highway where the opposing flows of traffic are separated by a median island. You are approaching a point where 2 roads come together and an additional lane begins. You are not required to merge. Watch for traffic in the new lane. Sign. Description. Road ahead makes a sharp turn in the direction of the arrow, right. Slow down, keep right, and do not pass. There is a winding road ahead. Drive slowly and carefully and do not pass. The divided highway you are traveling ends ahead. Be careful as you approach the point where two-way traffic begins again. Slow down on wet road. Do not suddenly turn, speed up, or stop. Sign. Sign. Description. The road curves one way right, and then the other way left. Slow down, keep right, and do not pass. Another road enters the road you are traveling on from the direction shown. Watch for traffic from that direction. Slow down, the road surface ahead is in poor condition. Cross traffic. Sign. Description. You should drive in the right-hand lane and expect oncoming traffic in the left-hand lane. Road ahead makes a gradual curve in the direction of the arrow, right. Slow down, keep right, and do not pass. Cross road ahead, slow down and watch for cross traffic. Look carefully in all directions for traffic. Gives advance notice of a reduction in the number of lanes of pavement ahead. Table 18, warning signs, continued. Sign. Description. T intersection. Y intersection or side road traffic to the right. You are approaching a point where Other traffic lanes come together. With the one you are in, watch for traffic from that direction. You are near an area where a large number of pedestrians cross the street. Slow down and watch for pedestrians. Sign. Description. You are approaching a T intersection and must turn left or right. Be prepared to yield the right-of-way at the intersection if necessary. There is a low place in the road. Slow down in order to avoid losing control of your vehicle or an uncomfortable jolt. Use extreme caution to avoid running off the paved portion of the highway because the dirt on the side of the pavement is soft and may cause you to lose control of car. The bridge ahead is not as wide as the road. Slow down and use sign. Description. You are near a school. Slow down. Watch for children and prepare to stop suddenly if necessary. The surface of the road is covered with loose gravel. Go slow enough to keep complete control of your vehicle. Do not apply brakes suddenly or make sharp turns. Mounted in front of an obstruction, which is close to the edge of the road, such as culverts or center piers on divided highways. Mounted immediately in front of an obstruction or at short changes in road alignment. The road you are traveling on intersects a highway ahead. Slow down. Look to the right and to the left for other traffic and be prepared to stop. The road ahead makes a sharp turn to the right and then a sharp turn to the left. Slow down, keep right, and do not pass. Warns of hazardous condition on bridge caused by ice. This sign will be displayed continuously during winter time periods. Drivers should slow down, avoid applying brakes suddenly or making sharp or sudden movements. Used to indicate the alignment of the road as an aid to night driving. Table 18 Warning signs continued. Sign. Description. Indicates traffic is permitted to pass on either side of a traffic island or an obstruction. Used to mark the ends of the side rails of narrow bridges and other obstructions. Slow your speed and watch for trucks entering or crossing the road or highway. Pavement narrows ahead. Slow down and proceed with caution. Sign. Description. You are approaching a downgrade. All drivers approach with caution. May be necessary to use a lower gear to slow your vehicle. The sign will have yellow lights flashing top and bottom when the freeway ramp ahead is metered. The ramp meter, red or green, directs motorists when to enter the freeway. There is a sudden high place in the road ahead. Slow down in order to avoid losing control of your vehicle or an uncomfortable jolt. The road ahead curves sharply. Slow down, keep right, and do not pass. Table 18 Warning signs continued. Sign. Description. The hard-surfaced pavement changes to an earth road or low type surface. Slow down. There is a significant drop from the pavement edge to the shoulder. You must leave the pavement. Slow down and steer firmly. Pavement has been grooved to lessen the possibility of slippery pavement in wet weather. Motorcyclists should use caution. Slow down and watch for individuals who may be disabled or who may be crossing the road in a wheelchair. The lane ends ahead. If you are driving in the right lane, you should merge into the left. Be prepared for a stop sign ahead. Regulatory and warning signs. Regulatory traffic signs instruct drivers what they should or should not do in certain circumstances. Drivers must obey all regulatory signs in the same manner as traffic laws. These signs help protect the safety of all road users. Following table provides examples of common regulatory and warning signs. Table 19, Regulatory and Warning Signs. Sign. Description. If you wish to turn at an intersection where this sign is posted, do so only in the direction indicated by the arrow. High occupancy vehicle HOV preferential. Lane, buses and vehicles used for carpools may use this lane only between the hours of 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. Do not cross yellow lines. The distance you can see ahead is so limited that passing another vehicle is hazardous and you may not pass. Sign. Description. Top a red stop sign with white letters, or a yellow sign with black letters. The top sign means come to a complete stop, yield to pedestrians or other vehicles, and then proceed carefully. Top before the crosswalk, intersection, or stop sign. This applies to each vehicle that comes to the sign. Slowing down is not adequate. Advisory speed sign. This sign gives the highest speed which you can safely travel. Around the curve ahead. Do not pass other vehicles.